They say the sky has a voice. Far in the north, beyond the reach of most people, something ancient moves above the frozen earth. The aurora borealis, one of the most breathtaking sights in nature. Shimmering ribbons of green, violet and crimson twisting across the heavens like the breath of a sleeping god. But some who stand beneath them say they have heard them. The question is, how? The Inuit believed the northern lights carried voices, the spirits of the dead calling out across the sky. Hunters and travellers reported hearing strange sounds beneath the aurora, a distant hiss, a faint whisper. Some swore they heard voices, something not quite human, just beyond the edge of hearing. A crackling like dry leaves underfoot. But there are no trees, no wind, only the lights above. For decades, scientists dismissed the idea. The aurora happens at least 60 miles above the Earth, far too high for sound to reach the ground. A trick of the mind, they said. A hallucination caused by the sheer vastness of the Arctic silence. It wasn't real. And yet, the stories did not stop. Then, in 2012, something happened that changed everything. For the first time, science recorded the sound of the aurora. It was real. The northern lights do make a sound. So what's happening? Why can we hear something that's miles above us? Some researchers believe the auroras disturb Earth's magnetic field, creating bursts of electric charge just a few hundred feet above the ground, close enough for us to hear. Like a giant cosmic radio signal, the aurora might be creating tiny electric discharges in the atmosphere, producing soft, crackling sounds. Some even believe the auroras could be interfering with radio waves, creating sounds that play tricks on our ears. But here's the strange part. Even with all this research, we still don't fully understand why the auroras seem to whisper. Not everyone hears it. Not every aurora makes a sound. Some scientists believe it requires the perfect condition, an invisible alignment between the sky and the Earth itself. Or perhaps it is something else, something we have yet to understand. If you ever find yourself beneath the aurora, in the dead silence of the frozen north, listen. You just might hear the sky whispering back.